In this video, I'll show you how to get into Apple Diagnostics over the internet. So what you need to do, have it on charger ideally. Before pressing power, Option and D, keep holding them, turn it on, keep holding, and that's what you get. And it may ask you to connect to the internet if it's not already on the Wi-Fi previously. And it's a matter of waiting. Okay, so choose your language. Enter key. I agree. If you want to do it online, I do it online. And that barcode there really does say what it says, nothing else. Still running. One of the main reasons I'm running it on this machine, twice so far it has shut down while the user was using, but I can't seem to find the fault. Battery is excellent. Haven't opened it up, have a look inside, which I will do later on. Okay, no issues found in my case, and that's about it. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.